Good morning, everybody. It is Thursday, October 14th. Currently sitting on the side of I-40 waiting on Matt Kaminsky, who is and family, who's going with me to the Blue Ridge Overland Gear-Rooftop tent rally. Hope you guys enjoy the vlog. Buckle up. About to hit the road. Hey, so we made it to Warrior Path State Park about an hour ago, and it was about a 7-hour drive, I guess. We lost an hour central to Eastern time zone. It's just going to be a simple night. Not going to unpack a lot of stuff. Just going to make a sandwich and maybe a water, because we're going to pack right back up in the morning and head over to Gladstone, Virginia. I'm not sure, 2 or 3 hour drive, maybe a little bit farther, for the rooftop tent rally, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then we'll have another stopover going back to Memphis on Sunday afternoon, Sunday night, and get up Monday and head back. But set up at camp here. There's a setup. It's a really small campsite, but the bathrooms are right across the street, so that'll be good. And it was an easy back-end site, great stopover point, so our drive's not so far tomorrow. So there you have it. We are headed northbound on I-81. We are outside of Bristol, Tennessee. Left the Warrior Path State Park about 30 minutes ago. I'm not sure what time we'll arrive. It's about 9 a.m. now. We should arrive at the rally noon to 1 o'clock, possibly. We've got about an hour left of interstate, and then we will turn off into the Virginia mountains. So stay tuned. Yeah, it's a real Bronco. Yeah, oh yeah, no less.
There you go, right there.
It's good looking stuff.
A little bit of wild game chili, a little duck, a little deer. Good stuff for the camp.
Looks awesome. Thank you, Matt.
Well, we'll be ready here in just a little while.